Okay. Cause the front, it ain't moving. My hair, it don't move. Hi, y'all already know the drill, but this time the drill is that I'm 12 months locked. But yeah, I'm 12 months locked now. This is gonna be my 12-month retwist, and I think after this retwist, I think I'm gonna retwist for November and then try not to retwist until my birthday, or I might just do this one and only do like retwist on my edges or my perimeter until my birthday. We're gonna see. But now that I am 12 months in, I don't know or think I'm gonna retwist every month. I'm gonna try to start stretching them at least 1 to 2 months in between. Today I'm doing a retwist, but I'm also doing pipe cleaner curls. Now look, hopefully they turn out correctly, because them pipe cleaners, it's like not a hard thing to twist them and make them, but it took an unnecessary amount of time, I feel like. So I have my pipe cleaners, I have the Shine and Jam that I used in the last video, got my clips, I got a little bit of water, but I remember that last time when I got like a super duper crispy retwist, I didn't use as much water. So I just got done moisturizing my hair slightly, but my hair is not gonna be like soaking during this process. I'm watching Shrek 2, and let's get started. So what you're supposed to do, I have my little pipe cleaner, and I'm gonna put this through the end like I'm threading a needle. I'm gonna twist it around it to like lock it in basically. I did a test one the other day, and I realized that I didn't do that part, and I was like, why the end not curling? And then you're gonna wanna twist it in the direction, or curl it in the direction that your hair is going in, or rather that you retwist it in. It's like mine is retwisted this way, so I'm gonna curl it this way. Hopefully it worked, child. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a very nicely retwisted ponytail or something. So I was doing clips like normal, but then I realized it was kind of hard to do that and the pipe cleaner at the same time. So now I'm just doing the pipe cleaner and hooking it at the top, as you guys saw. Okay, I finally finished. That took a long time, y'all. Like, y'all see I'm hunched over like this. That hurt it. This is what it looks like right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure these curls are gonna be like very short, but oh my God. Pray on it. That's probably not gonna work, but pray on it, pray on it. I plan on leaving it in until Sunday. It's Friday right now, and it's early Friday. It's 1:28, so hopefully by Sunday everything will be dry. It'll be like Sunday afternoon, everything will be dry, and I'll take them out. But this is what it is looking like. I'm assuming it's gonna be a little curly fro type situation. I'm like, could I wear this out and about? I don't know. I have a little scarf, which I think I low-key could like put. Ooh, that hurt. I forgot I got clips back there. I probably low-key could do a little scarf situation. Be kind of cute. But this is what we're working with right now, and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, it is 2 days later. I put these in on Friday. I was done around like 1 o'clock on Friday. It is now 9:40 on Sunday, so I'm pretty sure we're dry. I took one out already. This is something. I think that's a curl. But yeah, I'm gonna take them out. I feel like it's gonna be a process because since my hair isn't that long, I had to like hook this piece over, so I can't just pull them out, I don't think. And then I have this piece underneath here. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to like basically have these like tightened on the end of all the locks. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it that way next time. That one didn't really work, but I wasn't expecting it to work because it looked kind of crazy. It's curled up here though. I'm probably gonna like pin these bottom ones up because I didn't really expect them to work. Okay. Jesus, 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 what a wonder you are. No, I'm playing. Okay, I think all of the pipe cleaners are out of my hair. I'm still looking like a granny right now, but I'm not mad at the curls. Like, I know that if my hair was longer, this would be some work. I haven't shaken my hair. Oh, this is like my 2-lock one. I haven't shaken my hair or anything yet. I'm talking about all the curls out. It's literally one right here. Or pipe cleaners on the curls. Yeah, I don't recommend putting your hair like this loop was bigger. The loop was like this size when I started, and I put the end of my lock through here and like twisted it. I don't recommend doing that. It was a lot harder than I thought to take out. I guess I'm doing it, but look at these, y'all. Not that one. that's my big babies. Okay. My roots are like what was really curling, which is funny. But yeah, like I said, I'm not mad at it. I think I'm gonna like shake my head out and then also just see where they fall, and then I'm probably gonna put it to the side also. And they're like secure, like these is anchored, okay? Yeah, I see these front ones ain't moving. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'll probably check back in a few hours and see how it looks, / see what I might like pin it up and just keep the front as like some curly bangs, cause the front, it ain't moving. My hair, it don't move. Yeah, we're gonna have to see what these, we're gonna have to see what these do and how they move. Yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a couple hours. I'm back. So I'm kind of like ready to get out and go for the day. But yeah, it did not fall. That's my thing. It did not fall because where is there for it to go? I'm looking like a cute granny. So what I'm gonna do, or rather what I'm comfortable with, I know I just said I like it and you're like, you about to cover it up? I am about to cover it up. I'm gonna. This scarf is from Zara. And there are some cute ones that I want to stick out. So I'm gonna have the front perimeter essentially stick out. And I'm gonna tie. Bada bing, bada boom. And I like this. I feel like it's giving earthy. Anyways, I hope y'all found this tutorial somewhat helpful. I actually don't really mind how it turned out. Like, obviously my hair is short. In the beginning, I literally said my hair is gonna be shrunken up to here because like I don't have that much length yet. But I have confidence in these curls now, and I know that when my hair is longer, I can try this again. I might still use the pipe cleaners, but use a different method, or I might use like the reusable rods that I've seen people using. But yes, this is what it's looking like. I'm pulling my scarf like it's my hair. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Happy 12 months. Anyone who's close behind me, y'all coming up too. We made it through our first year, or we're making it through our first year. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.